Before you make any decisions about investing in Liqvid digital signage, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. Whether you're exploring options to enhance your business's digital signage experience or looking to compare it to other platforms out there, this video will break down the most important aspects so you can make an informed choice. Let's jump straight in. First off, one of the things that sets Liqvid apart from its competitors is the ease of use. Unlike other digital signage platforms that might require a steep learning curve, Liqvid is designed to be user-friendly with an intuitive interface. If you've been looking into digital signage software before, you might have seen platforms that were so complex you needed a technical team just to get things set up. That's not the case here. Liqvid's simple drag-and-drop features make it easy for anyone to use right out of the box. Next thing you need to consider is how flexible Liqvid is in terms of deployment. It works seamlessly across a range of devices and screen sizes, whether you're displaying content on TVs, tablets, or even smartphones. Compared to other signage platforms that might limit you to specific hardware or devices, Liqvid's cross-platform capabilities give you the flexibility to expand as your business needs evolve. No matter what equipment you're already using, this software integrates effortlessly. The third thing you should know is that Liqvid offers a fully customizable content management system. Unlike some competitors where you're stuck with a rigid template system, Liqvid gives you complete control over how your content is displayed. From creating different layouts to adjusting the duration of each piece of content, the software lets you customize your digital signage exactly the way you want it. This makes it perfect for businesses looking to stand out with their signage or needing specialized features that other platforms can't provide. Moving on, the fourth thing to keep in mind is how powerful the scheduling and content automation features are. In comparison to other systems, Liqvid stands out with its ability to automate content updates, including scheduling campaigns and content updates. With Liqvid, you don't have to manually adjust everything on the fly. The automation will save you a significant amount of time, especially if you're managing multiple screens across locations. The fifth thing to consider is the pricing. Now, Liqvid may not always be the cheapest option on the market, but it offers a great balance between value and functionality. When compared to other digital signage software providers that charge hefty subscription fees for features that may not be necessary for smaller businesses, Liqvid offers more cost-effective plans while still providing an extensive feature set. Plus, they offer a free trial to test the software before committing, which brings us to the next point. Now let's talk about the ease of integration. Many businesses struggle with digital signage platforms that don't easily integrate with existing systems. But with Liqvid, integrating your existing content, devices, or even third-party apps is a breeze. The platform supports a wide variety of file types and software integrations, making it a versatile choice for any business looking to keep things running smoothly without overhauling everything. Finally, the seventh thing you need to know is Liqvid's support and customer service. While many digital signage platforms leave you hanging once the sale is made, Liqvid offers robust customer support that can assist you at every step, from initial setup to troubleshooting down the line. This is a huge advantage over competitors that might not offer the same level of dedicated customer service. If you've made it this far, you now have a solid understanding of what sets Liqvid digital signage apart from the competition. But to really see how it can work for your business, you should definitely check out the free trial linked in the description below. You'll get access to all the features without any commitments, and you can explore the software firsthand to see if it's the right fit for you. So, if you're ready to take your digital signage to the next level, make sure to click the first link below for the best free trial offer available. Don't miss out on exclusive benefits to get you started with Liqvid digital signage today.